9th class student, exercise 18.2, question number 18. In question number 18 we find the value of theta. First part is 63 cos 63 into sec 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to 1 upon cos 63. Sec 90 minus theta is equal to 1 upon cos is equal to sec 63. Comparing 90 minus theta is equal to 63. Remove the bracket. 90 minus theta is equal to 63. Theta 90 minus 63 is equal to theta. After minus 27 is equal to theta. Theta value is 27. Question number 18 first part is complete. And second part is 1035 into cot 90 minus theta is equal to 1. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to 1 upon 1035. 1 upon 10 is equal to cot theta here is 35. Cot 90 minus theta. Comparing 90 minus theta is equal to 35. Must be compared. Cot and cot are equal, then angle are angle equal. Remove the bracket. 90 minus theta is equal to 35. Theta is equal to 90 minus 35 is equal to 65 is equal to theta. Theta value here 65. Question number 19. 19 question. First part and second part. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 minus angle C. Divide by 2. On both sides. A upon 2 plus B upon 2 is equal to 180 upon 2 minus C upon 2. a plus b upon 2 by LCM divide by 2 is 90. 90 minus c upon 2. Taking the cos on both sides. Cos a plus b upon 2 is equal to cos 90 minus c upon 2. After change cos a plus b upon 2 cos 90 minus theta, change into sin theta here c upon 2. Hence proved. First part and second part is same. Second part is in triangle ABC, A and BC is equal to interior angle of triangle. So then sum of angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180. B plus C is equal to 180 minus A and C. B is the other side, divide by 2 on both sides. A upon 2 plus C upon 2 180 upon 2 minus B upon 2 A plus C upon 2 by LCM. 2 divided by 180 is 90. 90 minus B upon 2. Then take in the tan both sides. Tan A plus C upon 2 is equal to tan 90 minus B upon 2. After change, right hand side according to 90 minus theta, tan change into cot theta. Theta here is B upon 2. Hence proved. Question 19 is complete. Question number 16. Is cos square 45 plus theta plus cos square 45 minus theta upon tan 60 plus theta into tan 30 minus theta is equal to 1. Taking the left hand side, both angle sum is 90, both angle sum is 90, change by 1, change by 45 in first term, LHS is equal to cos 45 minus 90 minus 45 is right in place of 45 plus theta square second is the same, cos square 45 minus theta, change by 60 first term, tan 60 right 90 minus 30 plus theta second term is same, tan 30 minus theta, cos 90 minus 45 plus theta square plus cos square 45 minus theta upon tan 90 minus 30 plus theta into tan 30 minus theta, cos 90 we make the 90 formula 90 minus theta, when write the 90 minus sign change by 45 minus theta, second term it is same, cos square 45 minus theta as tan 90 minus 30 minus theta into tan 30 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta here 45 minus theta, cos change into sin square 45 minus theta plus cos square 45 minus theta, tan change into cot 30 minus theta into tan 30 minus theta is equal to numerator make the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta, theta here is 45 minus theta, so make identity is 1, cot 30 cot and tan is reciprocal, change by 1 upon tan 30 minus theta into tan 30 minus theta. 1/1 is equal to 1 is equal to right hand side. Question number 16 is complete. Thank you.